So I have to be very quick. I have to be very, like, I can't say कि ठीक है ना, एक दो हफ्ता देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. So I can't do that. This is called bullying. मतलब वो इतना, मतलब सीना ठोक के बोल रहे थे, they were not bullying anyone, but of course it is bullying. आप जो कर रहे थे विकास के साथ, the moment राखी will be in top 5, वो अपने आप उनको अकल आ जाएगी. So कुछ चीजें कभी कभार कर्मा पे भी छोड़ देना चाहिए, कुछ चीजें टाइम पे भी छोड़ देना चाहिए. आई सॉ एजाज ऑल्सो आफ्टर राहुल. आई थॉट कि मे बी रूबीना एंड एजाज के बीच में वो कंपटीशन होगा, but sadly he's also leaving for some reason. I really hope he will come back soon and resume his game. So maybe he'll be in top 2 with Rubina.
Bigg Boss 14 has been different in its own way. We have old contestants using their previous experiences in the house to up their game. Joining the clan is Devolina, who was a contestant in Bigg Boss 13 but had to leave the house due to a few health issues. Welcoming Devolina in conversation with Pink Villa. So you've been active through this season too. Like, we've seen your posts, we've seen you being active on social media with what's going on inside the house. What is your game plan going to be like this time?
Honestly, I never plan anything. It's be it anything, be it my life, be it a game, be it a show, whatever it is. I never plan anything. I just go with the flow. And yes, I was definitely been active this Bigg Boss कर रही थी. So yeah, somehow yes, I was active. And because during the lockdown time, Bigg Boss was kind of a relief thing कि चलो कुछ तो entertainment होगा अभी. But yeah, somehow even I felt that every season the contestants are different, the environment is different, everything is different. So this time as well, I can say like few of them are really different and they are doing their own. So, and after joining the challengers, it has become really interesting. So yes, let's see. I somehow feel it would be interesting to go and to just understand, because we don't have much time also. So first thing I have to keep in my mind that we don't have time. They have already lived there, stayed there, their journey, their days, everything. So I have to be very quick. I have to be very, like, I can't say कि ठीक है ना, एक दो हफ्ता देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. So I can't do that. So मेरे लिए एक दो हफ्ता 1 घंटा 2 घंटे में ही निपट जाएगा. What I mean कि 1-2 घंटा में मुझे I have to just study everything. I have to just observe everything. I have to know the people, their tactics. I have to very smart and very kind of, I could say कि जैसे clever, I can't say, but yeah, somehow maybe to understand exactly who is doing what, because we are watching on TV and like when you are inside the house for 24 hours you are observing someone else आपके सामने. तो आप जब एकदम सामने होते हो वो different, थोड़ा आपको एक vibe, it's like a vibe introduction, so it's little difficult than watching on TV. So let's see how it goes.
So recently,
जैसे बोलते ना कि बोलना तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, but एक बार जब अंदर जाते हो and you understand the game, you understand the people, you understand the situation, environment, everything. So if this game, it all depends on this. कि आप अंदर जाके किसको कैसे समझ रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो.
Definitely. So recently, Vikas left the house and we saw a lot of people making fun of his condition. What would you like to say about it, and do you think the housemates have been unfair with Vikas by targeting his personal life?
Yes, they are unfair to Vikas, definitely, because I'd say this is very insensitive, making fun of someone's illness and making fun of someone. This is called bullying. मतलब वो इतना, मतलब सीना ठोक के बोल रहे थे, they were not bullying anyone, but of course it is bullying. आप जो कर रहे थे विकास के साथ, and finally when he had to leave the house, तो फिर आप टटुए बहा रहे हो, आंसुए बहा रहे हो, कि अरे मेरे मतलब हमें पता नहीं था, अरे सामने वाला इतना आपको बोल रहा है, अगर आपको लग भी रहा है कि मे बी चलो 50% रियल हो सकता है, 50% फेक हो सकता है, जो भी हो सकता है, बट एटलीस्ट आप बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट तो देते ही did little very insensitive like I could say towards Vikas, and iske wajah se like the way I know Vikas and the way we all have seen him like in previous seasons, so उसमें और इस विकास में बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है, and I'm really sad. I really wish he will get well soon and back in action. So let's say hope for the best.
तो जैसे विकास के साथ ऐसा हुआ, राखी के लिए भी like they're not taking her seriously, and what do you think about that? उसकी कैप्टनसी में भी ऐसा
they will take it seriously the moment Rakhi will be in top 5, वो अपने आप उनको अकल आ जाएगी. So कुछ चीजें कभी कभार कर्मा पे भी छोड़ देना चाहिए, कुछ चीजें टाइम पे भी छोड़ देना चाहिए. सो आई पर्सनली फील कि हर बार जैसे कि वी वेरी वेल नो कि राखी इज वेरी ओपन, वेरी वोकल, वो शी डजंट केयर मच अबाउट द पीपल अराउंड हर, डजंट लाइक शी इज अ फ्री बर्ड. सो इन दैट केस लोगों को थोड़ा वो मिल जाता है कहीं ना कहीं. आई एम श्योर कि सामने वाला भी थोड़ा बहुत इनसिक्योर हो जाता है, बिकॉज शी इज एंटरटेनिंग, एवरीवन नोज दैट no matter which way, what she does, how she does, but we can't deny the fact that she entertains us, right? So I'm sure कि घर वालों को भी अंदर पता ही होगा that yes she does so definitely कहीं ना कहीं even maybe that be their part of strategy कि उनको थोड़ा they will pull her leg or maybe they will try to put her down or something. कुछ ऐसा बोलेंगे तो हो सकता है वो hurt हो जाए, या जैसे विकास के टाइम पे ये succeed हो गए. So maybe they are trying to do something like that to Rakhi also.
Do you think it's a strategy?
Possible, could be. You never know. See, इधर इंसान insensitive है कि उसको सामने का देख के भी तुमको मजाक, especially निकी, एली, लोग सब उस दिन मजाक ही उड़ा रहे थे विकास का. So इधर कि ऐसा होगा कि उनको मतलब विकास मास्टरमाइंड टैग से उनको प्रॉब्लम है, या तो फिर उनके फैन फॉलोइंग से उनको इनसिक्योरिटी है, कुछ तो ऐसा होगा ना, या बार बार मतलब बिग बॉस विकास को बुलाते हैं गेम में. सो डेफिनेटली एक कंटेस्टेंट के अंदर एक डर या एक इनसिक्योरिटी तो आई एम श्योर आ ही जाती होगी कि ही डेफिनेटली हैज समथिंग ना, तभी बिग बॉस उनको, बिग बॉस में थोड़ी कोई भी मुंह उठा के चला जा सकता है, नहीं जा सकता, राइट? बिग बॉस विल इनवाइट, बिग बॉस विल से कि आप आओ तो ही तो जाएंगे. सो विकास वाज कॉल्ड फॉर इट. So I'm sure कि वहीं पे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो insecurity, and when they came to know कि विकास is coming, like came enter the house as a contestant, तो कहीं ना कहीं maybe उनको वो डर लगा होगा. So they tried their best maybe to pull his leg or to defame him or whatever they were doing with him.
Yes.
It was not at all cool, by the way.
Now, who do you think is like a contender, a strong contender to win the show?
Strong contender?
To win the show, who is most likely to win the show according to you?
Win the show. Okay, so मेरे लिए ये ना बहुत difficult हो गया है. As of now, I can't see anyone else than Rubina, Abhinav, Rakhi, because ये मुझे मेरे लिए top 3 लगते हैं. Earlier I really saw in top 2 Rahul and Rubina, but once Rahul just came out from the house and then second जो entry हुई उसके बाद I'm not seeing any game of Rahul's, honestly. So कहीं ना कहीं मुझे इसलिए लगता है कि उसके अंदर potential बहुत ज़्यादा था, but क्योंकि वो जब बाहर भी आया था तो भी मेरी एक बार बात हुई थी राहुल से, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम कि उसका बाहर आना वाज अ मिस्टेक, एंड लाइक ही हैज दैट पोटेंशियल टू विन द शो, बट अभी जाने के बाद आई डोंट नो, मे बी उसके बाहर का जो भी बैगेज है वो बैगेज लेके वो अंदर गया या जो भी हुआ, बट समहाउ आई फेल दैट ये उसका गेम जो वो इतना अच्छा खासा उसने कर लिया था वो कहीं ना कहीं खराब हो गया है. रही बात एजाज की, I saw Azaz also after Rahul. I thought कि maybe Rubina and Azaz के बीच में वो competition होगा, but sadly he's also leaving for some reason. I really hope he will come back soon and resume his game. So the maybe he'll be in top 2 with Rubina, but at the same time बोलते हैं ना छुपा रुस्तम होता है सुमड़ी में कुमड़ी. So that सुमड़ी में कुमड़ी is अभिनव like उन्होंने पहले तो अपने साइड छुपा के रखे और अभी जो थोड़ा करके दिखा रहे हैं, सो यू नो वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Knowing about him more like this is seeing him like this is entertaining. मतलब वो अपने point of view रखते हैं अभी बहुत सारी चीजों में वो अपने decision लेते हैं, which is really good for him and his game. In fact frankly speaking मुझे रूबीना से भी ज्यादा अभिनव का गेम अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, you know. तो ये मेरे point of view से बहुत ज्यादा उल्टा हो गया because I'm liking अभिनव more than रूबीना. So yeah. And रही बात राखी is a package of everything, you know. Entertainment हो, झगड़ा हो, सही गलत का stand लेना हो, so she's a full package. I wish कि मतलब वो भी मतलब these are all who are I could say winners only. अभी winner तो एक ही बन सकता है, but अगर हमारे point of view से देखा जाए, so they all are winners on their own way. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Devolina. It was great talking to you. And
Thank you so much.
I can't wait to see you inside the Bigg Boss house. Thank you so much.